How to get shift lock on Roblox Xbox. So in this video, I'll show you how to get shift lock on Roblox Xbox. So unlike PC, Roblox on Xbox does not have a built-in shift lock toggle. Shift lock is a feature that locks your camera behind your character for better control in third-person games. So there is no native shift lock on Xbox, but what you can do is to try using a keyboard and mouse. So connect a keyboard and mouse to your Xbox and then launch Roblox and play a game that supports shift lock. Press shift to toggle the camera lock just like on PC. Now another thing you can do is to adjust your controller settings. So some games allow you to customize camera behavior in the settings. So look for options like camera mode or classic in the game settings menu. And lastly, you can go ahead and use in-game scripts. Some Roblox games have built-in shift lock features or scripts that simulate it. Check the game's description or settings to see if shift lock is supported. And that is how you can basically get shift lock on Roblox Xbox.